Hey guys, it's your boy A-Dog and T-Dog.
I'm over here, guys. So, see if we survive. But this time, since they locked the gate, we are on top of this. So I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna knock something like twice. But we don't know. Come on, man, hurry up. Just get in, man. Let's keep on going. Be sneaky, get down. No man, come on, let's check if there are any people this side. I'm at the bathroom. No one is here either. Okay, we're running out of space, guys. So what we need to do is delete some stuff. So please watch part 2. All we need to do now is just delete some stuff so we'll have enough space for the next video.
No, we do not. All we need to do is
Make some space.
Okay.
Okay.
So we need to
Keep quiet,
pause
man.
this video. We need to pause it.
No, we don't need to pause it. We have to end it. Okay, guys. Please watch part 2. Subscribe to our channel.
Do not watch part 2 yet. You have to watch the continuing. We're tired, okay? Bye.
Previously on A-Dog and T-Dog.
Guys, it's your boy A-Dog and T-Dog, and this is the continuing of part 1 of Trespassing.
Yeah, we just trespassed. As you can see, the car is still there. We've been waiting over here for like 10 minutes. Busy arguing which door will knock on, so we decided to go over here. Go ahead, A-Dog. Knock.
Trying to go now. Knock on the open door.
No, that's open, man.
Okay.
Watch out, there's a wasp. There's a wasp following you.
A wasp. What's a wasp?
It's like a bee. Now, come on. Nice. Run fast, A-Dog. Stop, man, stop. Let me zoom in. Yeah, the gate is locked, man.
The gate is locked?
The gate is locked.
Still locked? Pretty nice gate.
Yep, but it's locked. Come on, let's go.
No.
Be sneaky, man.
Let's make it one more time.
Come on, fast. Okay, come on, man. Look it out. Come on, man. Faster. Come on, man. Come down. Let's run. Come on. We're gonna out of here. Yeah, we're gonna run away as far as we can. Okay, guys. So we made it. Please subscribe to our channel. Next time we'll be. Never mind. Anyway, see you later. Anything you want to say?